My name is Edith Mackenzie, and I worked at Northern Lakes College for 38 years. In the last 10 years of my career, before I retired in 2022, was coordinating the PEMAC Maintenance Management Professional Program and the Asset Management Professional Program. And I retired 2 years ago, so I've been volunteering since then. In the last couple of years that I've been retired, I've been chairing the education committee for PEMAC, and I have sat on the MainTrain committees. I started sitting on the MainTrain committee, I think it was in 2019 when the conference was in Edmonton, and I've been involved ever since. So I'm also going to be doing 2025 again for MainTrain. I think the thing that I enjoy the most about volunteering, particularly with PEMAC, are the people that I get to meet and work with. It's a fascinating area, assets and maintenance management, and the people that you meet have such a diversity of experience, skill set, thoughts, ideas, and I just find it fascinating when I get to work with people like that. And then the team at PEMAC, a small but very mighty team, and they have some great skill set. And again, very diverse and across the country, so I really enjoy working with the people. I would say that's probably the biggest benefit of volunteering. One of the nicest things that I do annually is go to the MainTrain conference. Because I sit on the committee, I have always participated, and it's just great to meet people face to face, the behind the scenes people, meet people that you've worked with on committees, hear great speakers, and it's just really energizing. So I would say that that's the highlight for me every year, is going to MainTrain, being able to meet some people and connect, learn, contribute. I would say that it's just a great way to do what PEMAC says: connect, learn, contribute. Anytime you get involved, you're going to broaden your understanding, your networks. So you really get to get out there and connect. You're going to learn a lot, which I really enjoy. So just you'll learn from others. You'll learn from the great resources that PEMAC has. And you'll be able to contribute your knowledge, your experience, and really make a difference in the asset maintenance management profession. So I would highly recommend that anybody consider joining and volunteering with PEMAC.